اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم.
Exercise 3. Now let's revise and practice the letters really well. The first time I will let you say the letters alone. The second time I will say them so you can check if you were correct. Alif, Dal, Ra, Hamza, Ta, Ha, Wow, Sin, Ha, Ain, Sad, Kaf, Noon, Ba, Dha, Jim, Fa, Zal, Ghain, Ta, Dad, Za, Kha, Qaf, Shin, Ya, Tha. Did you get them all correct? If not, please go back to the beginning of the exercise until you do. Now let's do some more. You say them first, then I will say them so you can check if you were correct. Ta, Za, Kaf, Hamza, Ba, Sin, Tha, Sad, Jim, Dha, Dal, Kha, Dad, Lam, Zal, Ta, Shin, Fa, Ha, Ghain, Ya, Mim, Ha, قاف راء عين. Wow. How did you do? If there are some letters you forget, try writing them down to help you remember. Let's do the next set of letters. You say them first, then I will say them so you can check if you were correct. ثاء غين ميم راء جيم لام قاف ضاد هاء ثاء هاء صاد ياء فاء كاف ذال باء خاء طاء سين دال زاء ظاء شين عين نون ألف. I hope you're recognizing the letters better now. Remember, if you're getting some wrong, it's okay. Rewind back and do them again until you get them right. Now, let's do a final set of letters. You say them first, then I will say them so you can check if you were correct. Hamza, ضاد ثاء زاء فاء حاء باء عين صاد ظاء جيم ذال خاء غين ياء قاف ثاء شين. Well done! You have completed Lesson 1 for recognizing the letters in the Arabic alphabet. If you remember all the letters really well, please move on to Lesson 2. But if you need some more practice, please do them as much as you need until you're confident in recognizing the Arabic letters.
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم